friends, and we are so happy to welcome you to our channel. Today we will show you how to download the selected Instagram reel without any troubles and problems. Let's go to the watching. Of course, this saved reel will be without any watermarks and some additional inscription, so you will have the clean video. How to do this? So we just need to open our Instagram app and choose some reel as an example. I will click on this one, and I just need to pick on the three dots icon to copy link of the selected reel. Later, let's go to the Chrome or other browser, but I don't like to use Safari right now because Safari needs some additional permissions and other settings. It's not interesting, so let's pick on the search bar at the top. And later we need to set the name of, I'm sorry, because we have our link here, but so the name of the needful app is Snap Insta app. Let's set it, Snap Insta app. I have this application on my list because I found out this app before, and I just need to click on it. As you can see, this is our needful application, our needful website. And later, let's swipe down our application to check all of the tutorials, to check all of the steps here. And what we need right now, we just need to find the special bar here at the top to paste our link. Later, let's pick on the download button opposite and wait a minute before the loading. Cross. Okay. I'm sorry, close. So we just need to wait a minute later, and as you can see here, we have our selected reel. Let's pick on the download video option here at the bottom, and on the download option on the notification, which will appear on the bottom of the screen. Later, I want to open it in downloads. And as you can see, this is our reel. Let's tap on the play button to check it. It's really clean video without any watermarks, without any additional inscription, the name of the user, etc. So you can, without any trouble, save any video you like and you want from the Instagram app and save it to your gallery and photos application on iPhone and also on Android. So guys, don't forget about likes if this tutorial was interesting, useful and needful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel because here we will show you even more cool tricks on Instagram and other apps. And good luck! Bye bye!